Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching today. I have a pretty exciting video to share with you guys. I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging my Knotty Knickers subscription, okay? First off, what is Knotty Knickers? It's a subscription service for underwear, which when they reached out to me, I was like, this is a thing? Why haven't I heard of this? Like, for real? Like, I was literally just talking to my boyfriend previously to them reaching out to me like, I really need to go buy some new underwear. I've been wearing the same ones forever. You know, I want new underwear, but I just don't like going out and buying new underwear. I don't know why. I just don't. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yeah, I would love to try this. Thank you. And thank you for creating something like this, because it's just like, you don't have to go out and buy underwear and it'd be awkward, because I'm like that. I'm awkward like that, okay? So anyways, this is Knotty Knickers. Discreet packaging, if you will. Nobody has to know what these are. So it's $3.99 is how much it is, but then if you buy the 3 pairs, it's a lot cheaper. It's like $10, which I'll get into all of that, you know, down the road, but I just want to open these up and look at them because I'm so excited. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so here we have our underwear. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not gonna model these for you because, like, no. So I'm just gonna show you what they look like. So here's our first pair, and they're actually pretty cute. Like, I mean, they're pretty cute. Look at that. How cute. Oh, I dropped them. How cute. So let's hold on. Let's test out quality real quick. Okay, so quality seems to be there, like, for real. Like, I'm not hearing any, like, you know, ripping or anything like that. The lace, like, seems to be holding up pretty well. Hold on, let me just tell you, Victoria's Secret underwear, by the way, always rips on me, and it's a problem. Like, that's why I cannot ever keep good quality underwear, is because I go to Victoria's Secret like a dum-dum, pay a ton of money, and it sucks. But that's just my personal story there. Oh, and they have a little naughty tag right there. But yeah, good quality. Very excited. Very cute color. We love. And then the little liners, by the way, the little panty liners are 100% cotton. So there you go. Next one. I think this is probably like a thong. Oh, it is. It's so cute though. Look. Okay. Hold on. We got the double strap. The strap for your butt. I'm sorry, see, me in underwear, it's like so awkward. Okay. So how cute is this? You know, it's a thong. I like to wear thongs with, see, I'm blushing. I'm not wearing blush today, but it looks like it now. I like to wear thongs when I'm wearing shorts or leggings or something like that, because I don't like to free ball. I like to wear something so my cookie isn't rubbing up against the lining of, like, pants and stuff. And especially with jeans, like, I want to wear underwear so it's not uncomfortable on my coochie cooch, you know, but, like, you don't see panty lines because that's ugly. So I like to wear thongs. So I'm very excited. Plus, this would be cute for, like, you know, your partner. I don't know. I like the double straps. It's cute. You know? Yeah. Anyways, let's go to the next pair. Okay. Super sexy. I feel awkward even saying that word. See, this is why this is a good subscription, so you can, like, you know, get it and enjoy it and not have to go out and look at underwear. I don't know. So these are cute. It's got a very cute, like, lacy booty, and then we have, like, this whole front going on right now. Like, look at that. How cute. We love. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got mine in size large because, you know, yeah, these look like they're gonna fit me very well. They're apparently very true to size, and just by holding these up, I'm like, yeah, okay, these are definitely true to size. They're very soft too. Like, they're not rough feeling. That, like, they're all, like, soft. Like I'm gonna be like wearing these in bed and my boyfriend's gonna be rubbing my butt like, your underwear feels very soft. I'm like, thank you. But anyways, I'm gonna get on the website and I'm gonna look up some information for you guys so you guys can know. But I'm very excited about this. Like, this is, I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so they have 3 different packages. You have the naughty ones, which is thongs and G-strings. They have the sugar and spice, which is a mix of everything, which is what I picked, why I have, you know, thongs and not thongs. And then they have the nice, which is full back pairs. So, you know, a regular pair of underwear. And then you can choose either 1, 2, or 3 pairs of underwear. It starts at $3.99, and the more you buy, the more you save. So let's see, if you get 2, it's $7.49, and then if you get 3 pairs, it's $10.48. So getting 3 pairs is actually the better value. All the fabrics are latex free, by the way, so that's really good. And the sizes go from extra small all the way to 3XL. They are true to size. And okay, there's lots of photos here and they are very cute. We love. And yeah, they have new styles monthly. You can cancel anytime. You can actually submit your preferences for the color, the style, the fit, the fabric, stuff like that. And they're really, really cute. Like, I mean, look, even like Walmart underwear, by the way, they're not this cute and they're kind of expensive. Kind of anywhere you go, underwear is pretty expensive. But you guys already know when you're getting like a subscription, you're always getting like, you know, higher quality, like, well, you know what I mean? Like, it's costing more than what you're getting a bang for your buck. So, yeah, I'm excited about these. Plus, these 3 colors are like super cute. We have like a sexy red, a cute flirty pink, and like a ooh la la blue. Ooh la la blue. So yeah, very excited. You can do every month or every 2 months, and I feel like this is a really good subscription. Like, I want to get this for myself now because, yeah. They also have naughty extras. Oh, they have PJ sets. They have, oh my gosh, they have spooky ones. A velvet bat lingerie set, an after dark set. Are those somebody's nipples? I think those are pasties over the nipples. I don't know. And they have like a robe. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh. And these are like $19.99, $14.99 for like these. That's a nipple. That's for sure a nipple. Yep. That's a nipple. All right. Sorry, I just had to look, okay? Don't judge me. I had to look. So yeah, I guess that is everything that I need to speak about on this. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. Is this something that you'd be interested in subscribing to? Because it has piqued my interest for sure. Very excited. It's based in Canada too, which is like really cool for all of my Canada babes. Yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I will have it linked below if you guys want to go subscribe. This is actually really exciting. Like, I'm pretty excited about this. This is a good subscription. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Thoughts and Opinions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.